Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You're watching the ITS, and today I'm going to be doing this unboxing video for you. I'm so excited to be doing this video and to unbox this gift items I got from a friend. I've always wanted this cooking pot set and this blender for my food content, and then I just got a call on a regular day, and the person said I should come pick up the blender and the pots, although I didn't know actually that it was the gift I was going to pick up. But then person said I should come pick up the items, and then I went to pick it up and I realized that it was a blender and a cooking pot set. These are actually the things that I wanted, and I can say that Christmas came so early for me, guys. I'm so excited to be doing this video, and these are the things I'll be unboxing today. Out of the very many that I received, I so much love this cooking pot set because they are non-stick pots, guys. They are non-stick pots. So I'll be showing you the contents of this. I don't know the full contents of the set, but I'll be showing you everything inside this package. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and tell me what you think about this video. Tell me if this is something you'd also love to be gifted. So let's get right into it, guys. This is the Silvercrest blender and the non-cooking pot set that I got. It's 8 pot set, and this is a 3-liter Silvercrest blender. So I'll be showing you the content of the non-stick cooking pot first. So I'm going to go right ahead to open this carton and show you the things that are inside it. So my friend was thoughtful enough to add this non-tarnished gold spoons and fork that I wanted to. And these are the pots. They are different sizes, and these are 3 sizes of the pot, 3 different sizes of the pot, and each of those pots has its own cover. Like it came with its own cover, and it also came with a frying pan, which is it said the frying pan has a cover too. So these are the pots and these are the covers of the pots. I don't know, but what is a non-stick cooking pot without the non-stick spoons? Oh my god. This is so thoughtful. Getting the pot with the spoons to go with it. This is amazing. Like, this is actually what I wanted, the pot and the spoon. Ah god, and the spoons is so nice. Like, these are set of six, uh a set of 6 spoons. You can use it for different things. So this is the Silvercrest blender. I'm also going to show you the contents in this package. This blender, actually, it has 2 cups. There's a big cup and then there's a small cup. The big cup is used to blend different items, wet items actually, and it's 3 liters. You can see how big it is. And then the smaller cup, which is this one I'm showing now, is used to blend dry ingredients like dry corns, cereals, whatever you want to blend that is dry. That is its function. So this is the cup. It has different parts, covers, and etc. And it also has a base. The base is its engine, and that's the next thing that I'm going to bring out now to show you guys. So this is basically the contents of the Silvercrest blender, and I'm going to show you where I'm using it to make what I want to make. Okay. So inside this carton, I saw more of the non-tarnished gold spoons and forks. And oh my god, I'm so happy. Thank you so much for staying tuned till those points. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more food content, guys. So let's go and prepare food for the boyfriend that spoils up with kitchen equipment, man. Yes, it is the boyfriend that spoils us with kitchen equipment that will prepare food for. Okay, guys, till next time, guys. See you.